Hey, I hope you're well. If you don't know me, my name is Paul Turner, and I'm just sharing where we're up to at the minute with trading. We don't shout about much at the minute. There's there's a way to get what we do for free, so I should shout about it, right? They have a 2 and 3, and there's been times when I have, but we're very focused on the trading. So you don't see us putting videos out all the time. However, I'm going to do this video to show you where we're up to, and also to let you know that 77% of people will fail doing this. 77% of people will fail doing that. And they are industry figures that legally the brokers and stuff that people that trade Forex have to put out. Because trading, actually, guys, I'm going to be honest with you. I spoke to a guy the other day. He actually just tossed a coin, and with proper risk management, he came out profitable, right? Now, that doesn't mean to say you shouldn't have a good strategy. You shouldn't have an edge. But increasingly, my NLP stuff's coming into play with the Forex stuff. Because here's the thing. If you're in Forex and you're not winning, congratulations, you're perfectly normal. Congratulations, perfectly normal. The way that we think, the way we do things in our everyday life that suits us for everyday life does not necessarily suit us for trading. So if you're failing, it's not your fault. It's the way you're wired, for survival, the way you're wired to sort of live and do things, right? So, so number one, we want something easy. Now, I think we've got one of the easiest things ever at the minute. We use a system, okay? But people will still lose because of mindset. That's what it is, right? So anyway, let me show you where we're at. So I'll share my screen. So luckily I got introduced 6 years ago. I've been doing this 6 years, guys, right? And the company I use, they have this harmonic scanner. There are other harmonic scanners available on the market. This one works for me. Why change it, right? And like I've already said, there's a way to get it for free. It doesn't just come with the scanner, though. It comes with a load of other things. I've had people say to me, oh, Paul, it's all on YouTube. What, this? Well, no, not the software. Oh, so the software isn't on YouTube. What about this guy then that I follow on the go? Like, oh, well, he's not on. So it's not all on YouTube, is it? Ah, yes, but okay. So anyway, so what happens is this software will go and it will look for areas in the market where the price will change. And I've seen a bit of chatter about this trade, so I thought I'd do this one, right? People in our group doing really well with it. So you can see this D point here. The idea is when the price is at D, the price would want to go back towards the C point up here. And as you can see, it didn't go up, it sort of came down, right? Now, these lines here, these are drawn on, and I don't know exactly when he didn't, to be honest, because I don't get on every day with him, but he's on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and he drew these lines on, and look, the price has come back pretty perfectly to those lines, regardless of what the scanner says. This is a robot, right? It's not going to be right all the time. So the educator that draws this up and teaches this in the group, okay, good stuff, talking about order blocks and mitigation zone and liquidity grabs and all those sort of things. I do not follow any of that at the minute, right? I understand it. I have used it. I don't follow it at the minute. Harder to learn. I'm all about stripping back to what we need, right? Just the jargon confuses people. So you're thinking, well, hang on a minute, Paul. Why would you win that trade? Okay, then if you're not following any of what he teaches, and why do we need this? Well, you may or you may not. Now, the fact is, with what he teaches, you could set what's called a pending order. So you could set an order around about here, and if you're out at work or something like that, you could follow what he does. You could come and look at his markups. He draws all these up. Look, you can see he has master notes. They're all on there. So you could set what's called a pending order that will trigger when you're not there. What I do, though, is I use our group indicator called Straightforward Forex. So we call our group Straightforward Forex. And the reason why is we're just trying to do away with all the technical stuff, right? It's good to know it. It's good to know it. But so the D point was on the 27th somewhere, 24th, NZD CAD, 27th. So the D point was back here somewhere. But we're waiting for a buy. The scanner said buy. So you wait for a buy, you set the alert, you walk away and look. Wave up. This line here we call the wave. So when we trade now, we say we ride the wave, right? So we could have had some beautiful trades down here, but we didn't, okay? Because we're looking for a buy, because this piece of software that does a great job, even though it looks like, you'd look at that and go, well, it's wrong. But look, it did work. It's just that the entry was off. But it doesn't matter if you've got either the educator's notes and you follow him, okay, or learn to do it yourself. He teaches you how to do it all yourself, or you've got straightforward Forex indicator. And this is on the 15-minute. Let's put it on the 5-minute, right? Same time frame as him. Okay, so we're waiting for a buy, okay, and the price drops. Let's suppose maybe there's a chance where's the 27th? There you go. That's in the morning. So maybe there's a chance you might have lost one trade. And what we say is risk no more than 1%. Now, I'm not claiming I've took any of these trades at all, just to be clear, because we're not allowed to share results. Right? So I'm not saying I took any of them. Right. But then we get this beauty down here. So we get a wave up down here. So this is how it works, guys. You can get in the earliest opportunities. You can get in on the candle after. But, I mean, all of these candles along here, you could get in pretty much anywhere along those. It's plenty of time to get in. You've got loads of time to get in, right? And then what we say is look left, and you're going to put your stop loss either on the wave up or bullish engulfing, which has got, we put the little arrows on them. So that would be my stop loss. Now, stop loss, if you don't know, is if the trade goes the wrong way, please, please, please stop me out and close the trade. So I only lose my 1% risk. So I risk 1% in that. And then as you can see, look, we're riding the wave. The wave has gone up. So this first trade here, if I take it to where we are now, it's gone higher, but there's 8.44. Okay, potentially a 10 or 1 to 10, right? I think we're still going up. Idea goal number 2 on the, yeah, idea goal number 2. There you go. That makes a great target when people talk about take profit. So I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll make that our take profit. 85153. Let's do that. 85153. 85153. 85153. 85153. So we'll assume that was our target. So that initial trade, right, is a and let's just move this out of the way. So there's a potential 1 to 8.3. So I risk 1%, it hits my target, I've made 8, right? That's how that works. Okay, so that's the first trade though. The second thing is when you come down to the 5-minute, like the master trader's done it down there on the 5-minute, sometimes it can be a bit more volatile. So some of our guys use the 15-minute time frame to get in. So you would get in here, okay? Again, earliest opportunity to get in. You could get in on the candle after, started there, look left, it's too tight, okay? So now this is too big, so you have to make a judgment call. You could do that one. If you did that one as a stop loss, there's a 1 to 3.7. If you did what I would do, because it's below the wave, you put that there, 5 pip stop loss, 1 to 7, okay? So there's the other trade you could potentially do. Okay, let's go back to the 5 though. I tend to trade on the 5. And like I say, I would have lost that one back up here. I probably would have lost that one. So you got to take 1 off all of the figures I'm talking about now. However, when the price then goes above this orange line, okay, then it gets exciting. Okay, so we close above the orange line here. There's a potential trade, right? There's a potential trade there. What we do with these is you get in on the candle after the up arrow. We're above this orange line, so we're looking for buys, which is up. So get in there, stop loss, look left, previous bullish engulfing. Again, go up to the same target. There's a 1 to 3. I'm just going to move these out of the way so we can look at them all at the end. Here's another one. You could get in there. See, ride the wave, look left. The next bullish engulfing is that one right close to it, but it's too tight. It needs to be at least 5. So we'll go there, which is 7 pip stop loss. That's fine. So that will go there. And again, ride the wave. Get another bullish engulfing there. So we can ride the wave on this one. Long position. That means you get in there. You look left. Okay. So I'd go there for my stop loss. 10 pip stop loss. A bit bigger. It's fine. So go there. Okay. So we've just done that one. Then we've got this one here. Okay. So again, you get in long position if you want to. This is called stacking. Okay. I won't be in every single one of these trades. 5.3. If I just put it just at the tab at the bottom of that one. There you go. There's 1 to 4. Now this one here, right? Long position. I would get into this one maybe. That's only 4.7 maybe. Should go there though. But now we're starting to run out of steam a little bit. That's all. That's the 1-to-1. Okay. This would be my next opportunity, but can you see that the blocks on the wave here are getting smaller? So that's kind of where you would potentially stop. But then when it touches here, there's a chance to get in. One position. So I could get in there, up left, stop loss, needs to be at least 5 pips. That would be there then, on the bottom of that one. So that would be that. 1 to 3. This one again, we're on the line. We're still above the orange line. We're still on the wave, I mean. On position, so you get in there. Look left, that would be there. 3.8, it's not big enough. You've got to go to the one previous, which will go there. I'm looking back there, okay. Seems like a way off, I know, but it works. And all you need is an edge. All you need is an edge and the right mindset. And that's where NLP is helping. If you lose, NLP is helping. 7.86 stop loss, that's a 1 to 2. We're looking really for at least a 1 to 2 risk to reward. See, now I'm getting up close. I probably wouldn't take these. That one, if I did, would lose. So I'd definitely be out after that one. Okay, so look. 8 plus 3, 11 plus 7, 18, 3. I'm forgetting all the points on the end. I've forgotten already. 8, 9, 10, 11, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 26, 27, 30, 32, 34. Okay. I'm not saying I'm not going to say I took any of those, right? However, my point is that anybody would get on the charts and grab every single percentage point that was available out of that one move, right? That is not my point. That is not what I'm saying. My point is, if all is that is available, how likely is it that you would be able to capture at least a 1 to 2? Easy. Shouldn't say easy. Simple. It's a simple process. And if you can apply the simple process profitably, consistently, I mean, and use proper risk management and use the right mindset, no reason why you can't do that, is there? Is there anything I've done there that you couldn't do? Anyway, that's just to let you know where we're up to with our trading, guys. Ride the wave. Keep it straightforward. See you on the next video. Sorry, it's gone on a bit longer than I intended. Catch you soon. If you want to do this, send me a message. I can share a bit more about what we do. Catch you later.